Good evening, teacher. Good evening, everybody. My name is Jefferson Medina, and today I'm going to express my opinion on the subject. In many settings, students face intense pressure, achieving good grades, maintaining scholarships, or meeting strict deadlines. This stress can lead to impulsive decisions, such as resorting to plugins or inappropriate online helps. For example, one case shared on a student forum tell of someone exhausted by mental health uses who Harry submitted a paper with AI generate sections and without proper citations. Despite the penalties, they recovered by seeking help and learning citations techniques. I have found myself in similar situations when faced with thoughts with deadlines and motivation topic or motivating topics. Beyond avoiding sanctions, academic integrity involved from conscious choice, being honest with oneself and with others. By choosing to write a paper from scratch rather than rewarding exciting content, I feel a deep sense of satisfaction knowing I truly understood and contribute my own ideas, even if it means spending more time. And real life course and lesson learning. Student adapt an assignment the last minute. He was caught giving a failing grade, but was educated about plagiarism. This situation taught him that institutional memory and the value of genuine effort are much more important. This story have remind me on the importance of considering context. There isn't always malice behind a mistake, and it has in often in other rather than punishment. Thank you, everybody.